Hi everyone, this is Carter from Syncfusion. Business intelligence solutions help you gain insights into your data through effective visualization. These insights can improve your operational decision-making, smoothing your path to consistent business growth. So, let's go over the 5 major things you should look for in a BI solution to maximize your business opportunities. First off, you need to choose a business intelligence, or BI solution, that is flexible, so you can view data in any device, from desktop to mobile. Secondly, you should ensure that it is scalable, so you can increase the number of users or amount of data dynamically. Moving to our third point, it should be secure. When you publish or share dashboards, your solution should effectively handle user permissions, enable both application-level and row-level security, and support single sign-on authentication. For the fourth point, we're going to look at design. A seamless user experience will help your app stand out. And with rebranding support, you'll be able to let the solution you integrate take on your company's identity and feel entirely your own. And the fifth and final quality you should look for, accessibility. Anyone should be able to operate the BI solution you choose easily, which means even non-technical people should be able to work independently with it. All of these points were priorities to Syncfusion when we created our own BI solution, Bold BI, to help customers embed the highest quality dashboards into their apps quickly. Thanks for watching.